Welcome guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can take screenshot and record screen in your Xiaomi 12, 12X and 12 Pro. So that's very simple. We got three methods how we can take screenshot. The first one, you can use simply the volume buttons. So as you can see, we got power button right here and the volume down button, and we have to click and hold them for like half second together, just like that. You can click and hold. You can just tap. There it is. Of course, after the three methods, I'm gonna show you now where you can find them, so don't worry if you mind about that. The second method, open this notification panel, find screenshot icon, and click on this icon once. As you can see, this screenshot was also taken. And the last method, it works with the three fingers. It's called the gesture screenshot. So we have to just swipe with your fingers like that. One more time, take a look. You have to put your three fingers on the screen and then just swipe. You don't have to press, just simply like touch the screen, touch it gently and then just swipe. Okay, and if this last option is not working for you, you have to go for the settings. Next, you have to go for additional settings, go for gesture shortcuts, and there you will find this option. It's called take a screenshot, and there's this light with three fingers down, as you can see. So we have to just enable this switcher like that, and yeah, that's how we can take the screenshots. And if you want to find them, you have to go for the file manager. That's very obvious. Next, you can go right here for this folders, go right here, go for the screenshots, and there it is. All the screenshots that you take will be right here, so you don't have to worry about that. Of course, you can edit any screenshot when you tap right here. You can accept this permission for the gallery, and you can just crop, you can add the filter. There's actually a lot of things that you can customize. There's also automatic adjustment, there's some kind of the sky, you can also erase data. You can add the sticker. So if you save and make any change, tap here to save, and there it is. Okay, and how to record the screen? That's also very simple. Open this notification panel, find screen recorder, tap on the icon once, and we'll get this small floating bar. And to record, you have to click right here in this place. But before recording, you can just click on this place to adjust the settings. As you can see, that's actually a lot of settings. Like we can change the resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source, because we can record the microphone, the system sounds, or mute both of them. We can also fix the frame rate. We can adjust the frame rate manually even to the 90 frames per second. So for example, this option will be useful for you when you record the gameplay by using the screen recorder, right? And you set up the 90 frames per second in the game, and also when this option is available in the game that you are playing. We can also show touch gestures, show buttons, and basically that's all. So to start the record, click right here. As you can see right now, our record is on the way. This bar will just appears right here, but it will be not on the recorder. To finish, click here. You can tap on this notification, and as you can see right now, that's our screen recorder video. As you can see on the video, we cannot find this floating bar, so that's a good point. And basically that's all. So as you can see, that's how you can take screenshot and record screen in your Xiaomi 12, 12X and 12 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.